In this video, I'm going to show you how to see previous Discord servers joined. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to open your Discord app. And from here, go to the servers. And just select any servers. Just press and hold and tap on more options. Now you want to scroll down and simply tap on Leave Server. Tap on Yes. And now scroll to the very bottom of the servers and tap on the plus icon. From here, tap on Join a Server. And just simply copy your invite link. And now go to a web browser and simply copy the invite link in the URL. So after copying the invite link, you will now be able to see your previous Discord server. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.